If you're new here, my name is Midi. Welcome to my channel. Here I talk about locks, my lock journey, beauty and self-development. And if you're a returnee, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be washing my locks for the first time after I added the hair extension. And this time around, I want to make sure that I braid and bind my locks. Okay, I learned from experience. Prevention is better than regret, you know. I'm going to be using this clarifying shampoo that I got around my area here in Lagos, Nigeria. I got a 2-liter bottle at the rate of, I think, 800 naira or thereabout. It's quite thick, so I diluted some of it with water and poured it inside reusable container I found in my kitchen. So that is what I'm using to apply the shampoo into my hair, you know. Before you do this, you want to make sure that you saturate your hair with enough water so that the shampoo can penetrate easily into your hair. And then you can start to use the tip of your fingers to massage your scalp. You want to make sure that you concentrate on your scalp. So that is what I'm doing here. So this is the first washing, and so the lather wasn't that much. And that will be because the first application of shampoo is just going to lift all the dirt from the scalp and from the hair. And so it will mix with the lather and it will not allow it to foam that much. I kind of delay my wash day a week longer than normal. So, and just because during the attachment, during the time I was attaching the hair extension, there was too much manipulation on my head. I just wanted to give it some time before I wash the hair again. I'm just rounding up the first washing and then I'll rinse my hair and I'll wash it again. This is the second washing. I did use 3 of these containers to wash my hair at the end of the day. I dried it, the hair, and now I'm loosening it. I'm going to be applying oil onto my scalp all over. Usually when I do this, I realize that there will be no need for me to apply oil onto my scalp for the rest of the week, or even more than that. That's what I've noticed. So if you've seen the video of how I attached my hair extension and my locks, you would have noticed that I cut the hair. Okay, yeah. That is because the tip of the hair was tangling up and I didn't like that. I didn't really like the length. It was looking chunky towards the mouth, so I just trimmed some off. Trimmed the hair, cut it to this length, and I feel that this length is actually more attractive. I love the way it is right now compared to when I finished the attachment. So I'm loving this length now. I love the way the hair is looking now. Yeah. Now I'm applying oil to my scalp. And I'm using olive oil, guys. I added a few drops of tea tree oil to the olive oil. And that's what I've been using for a while now. So after the application, or during the application for that matter, you want to make sure that you separate, especially if the root of your locks had grown out. So you separate it one by one to prevent your hair from matting together. Wow, I'm loving the length of my hair now. I've come a long way. I've dyed my hair, added extension to it. If you have not seen any of the videos, you can check it out. Okay, bye.